One, beloved students. Yes, I remain my humble self, Philip Olamide Oladele, philosopher. Yes, the privileged director of eGradus. So I will be continuing where we stopped from the class. Yes, this just is video to support what I've taught in that group. All right. So we are going to continue from set representation. How can we represent a set? So there are two ways of representing the set. The first way is known as the tabular method, while the second way of representing set is known as the set builder. So just as the name implies, the tabular method is actually not in form of a table per se, but because it involves listing out the elements of the set. You list out. It involves listing out. So this is the most common way you are going to see a question on set. For instance, A is a set of, I have told you that we have set symbols. A is a set, and then this equals to means is. A is a set of, this symbol means set of, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you are looking at this question, the member of this set A has already been listed. So that method is the tabular method. That's how you will see this thing. So the other method is the set builder method. You see, in set builder method, they will actually encode the set in a way that you have to interpret. Yes, you have to interpret it and understand what they mean. Example of that is if you have, let's say, set A equals to a set of S, such that X is a positive integer. If you see two sets overlapping and there's a charge on it, that's integer. So because it's having plus, positive integer, and X is less than or equals to 10. So this is a set builder. So first of all, you have to understand the meaning of this symbol. If not, you will not get it. So X is not what you are asked to do. They are just trying to define the properties of that set. So they will define and give you an hint about the set. Then you are the one that is going to interpret, comprehend, and write out the members of the set. So if I should get what you are saying here, they said S is a positive integer. That means all the number you are supposed to mention must be positive. All right. And it is less than or equals to 10. That means you can list any number that is not negative, but less than or equals to 10. And that can include 0, because 0 is not negative. 1, all right, 2, all right, 3, 4, 5, to 10. You'll have stopped in 9, but because they said less than or equals to. So if you only have equals to here, you'll have just write 9. But because you have less than or equals to, then you will stop at 10. So this is how to interpret this question. What if they said if B is a set of all the vowels? Now, this is also a set builder. It was builded. So if you don't understand what are vowels, you will not understand how to interpret itself. And we know that vowels letters are letters that when we pronounce them, they give us like a strict pronunciation. And that's the 5, A, E, I, O, U. So then you are not going to interpret it to be A, E, I, O, U. That means instead of helping you to list out this member, so what I just did now is the tabular method. Whenever you list out the member of a set, then that's tabular. But when it was encoded in a particular formula, or they describe the properties of that set, then it is set builder. Then it is what? It is set builder. All right? That is it. I hope you get it. Tabular method, you list. Set builder, it will encode with a particular code. Then you are expected to interpret, comprehend, and write out the members of the set.